Привіт-привіт, my dear Ukrainian language lovers. My name is Ina and welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In this video lesson, I'm going to teach you very useful expressions with God. But before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments about it. So, поїхали! Let's get started. I think one of the most popular expression with God is "О Боже!" Oh Боже, oh my God. Unfortunately, we don't have an abbreviation with it like ong, but we just say "Oh Боже." We write and say it as the full expression. Oh Боже, oh Боже. Okay. Слава Богу, слава Богу. Thank God. Слава Богу. Slava literally means glory. So literally we say glory to God. Okay, the next one. Слава Ісусу Христу. Slava Ісусу Христу means glory to Jesus Christ. Slava Ісусу Христу. We also use it as the greeting phrase, especially it is commonly used in the Western Ukraine. So people just say Slava Ісусу Христу instead of hello, привіт. Also, people say Slava Isu. So this is the shortened variant than the previous one. Slava Isu, just glory to Jesus. I want to tell you, I'm sorry for my bad pronunciation because I have some troubles with my teeth. A month ago, 2 wisdom teeth were removed. I had a surgery and it was so horrible and painful, and I was like so big, like a hamster. And now I have a new version of my braces and it is so painful, and I haven't recorded new video lessons for a while, but I can't wait anymore. So please be patient, just I need some time and then I will speak better again. Okay. Слава навіки Богу. Слава навіки Богу means glory to God forever. Слава навіки Богу. Слава навіки Богу. Боже правий. Боже правий. God is right. Боже правий. So we say, oh my God. Oh Боже. Боже правий. Yes, indeed. That's it. You were right. Боже правий. Okay. Боже збав. Боже збав. God forbid. So we use it as denial of something. Боже збав. Okay, the next one. Дай Боже пам'яті. Дай Боже пам'яті. It means God, bless memory. So when you can't remember anything, you just say, Боже, дай пам'яті. What is the name of this organization? Боже, дай пам'яті. Okay, the next one. Бог з ним. Бог з ним. Бог з ним literally means God is with him. It is an expression for agreement, forgiveness, so we use it in this kind of situations. Бог з ним. Also you can say Бог з нею, God is with her, or Бог з ними, God is with them. So you can change this expression. So the next one. Побійся Бога. Fear God. Побійся Бога. How can you do that? Aren't you afraid of God? Побійся Бога. Okay. The next one. Віддати Богові душу. Віддати Богові душу means to give the soul to God. So this is a synonym word to the verb померти. To die. Померти. Так, віддати Богові душу. Окей. Боже, поможи. Help God. Боже, поможи. Боже, поможи. Окей. The next one. З Богом. З Богом. З Богом means with God, wishes for success. So, for example, when I'm going somewhere, my mom says "з Богом," like go with God, have a safe with God. Like, I wish you success. Let the God bring you success. Так, з Богом. Okay. The next one also, борони Боже. Борони Боже. Horrors God, used to express unwillingness, negation of something. Так, and also one more expression, Боже бережи. For example, you have this an expression, Боже бережи Америку. God bless America. Or God save America. Так, Боже бережи Америку. We can say Боже бережи Україну. God bless or God save Ukraine. Okay, guys, I want to ask you to support Ukraine. You can do it through our official governmental websites. All the links you will find in the description of this video. You can support Kherson with the help of my charity store, buy a t-shirt, Save Ukrainian Life. By the way, this beautiful warm hoodie is from my store. I stand with Ukraine. You can get it from my site. Check out the link. If you want to learn more useful expressions, please check out my online school Speak Ukrainian, and at the website speaky.com you will find courses, lessons, textbooks, flashcards, etc. You can support my YouTube channel on Patreon. You can just send me super thanks here. Subscribe to my Instagram account Speak Ukrainian Language. Thank you so much. Дуже дякую. Your teacher Ina, ваша вчителька Ina, and papa. Bye bye.